Hey guys, how you doing? This is Dave here at Boston Harley-Davidson. I just want to go over a few features that the Nightster Special has that most people that don't know how to use or know about. So let's go over some of these features here. The one that most people don't know about is that you can actually connect your phone to the Nightster Special and get your navigation on this screen. To do so, you're gonna need your phone. You're gonna need to connect your phone to the Bluetooth. And also, you're gonna need the HD app on your phone, which is the HD app right here. So the way it works is, you go to your home screen here, you go over to settings, all right? You go down to Bluetooth, you connect your phone, and after you do so, I already did so on my phone, go back home, go over to navigation, click navigation, and from your phone, the navigation will go on the screen there, and all you do is shut your phone off, right? Put your phone in your pocket, and you're still able to use this navigation system while you ride, right? You can also connect a headset to this bike, right? Headset on your helmet, Bluetooth headset, and you can actually control the music, change the music, play and pause your music while you're riding. Your phone's in your pocket, nice and comfortable. And you got your navigation in front of you, ready to go, ready to ride. Right on, baby, right on.